Assalamualaikum everyone. So you can see with me, this is Hiramoni. So Hiramoni, how are you doing?
Yes, I'm well.
Okay, can you speak English?
Yes, I can.
Actually, now I would like to know about yourself.
Yes, sure.
Okay, here it is, please.
Assalamu alaikum. Thank you, sir, for giving me opportunity to say something about myself. This is Hiramoni Jahan in front of you. Basically, I am from Borishal, but currently I live in Potuakhali at Ekhattu Sorok. Recently, I have completed my diploma in midwifery course from Gazi Munibur Rahman Nursing College. Really, I am preparing for a government job. I like to read motivational books in my free time. Love to watch movie as well. I don't like dishonest people. I want to be a skillful midwife, and I want to get a government job. That's all about me. Thank you so much.
You're doing well. Thank you.